welcome back. We are doing day 7 of the LeetCode July coding challenge. Is day number 7. So we are starting this off. I've actually done a lot of LeetCode problems today, but I did forget that this was happening right now. So it's 11:33 at night. I've been up since way too early. Digressing. So we are starting with this problem. It's the only problem I'm going to do in this video. 2024. Maximize the confusion of an exam. Okay. Oh, there's only 700 something solutions. Oh, that's interesting. There's usually a lot more on LeetCode. It's like usually in the thousands. So this is I'm not giving myself a whole lot of hope. Okay, so a teacher is writing a test with N true and false questions, with T denoting true and F denoting false. He wants to confuse the students by maximizing the number of consecutive questions with the same answer, multiple trues and false in a row. You're given a string answer key, where answer key I is the original answer to the I question. In addition, you're given an integer K, the maximum number of times you can perform the following operation. Change the answer key for any question to true or false, and then they give you the example, and then return the maximum numbers of consecutive trues or falses in the answer key. Have to perform the operation at most K times. So let's look at this example, or set of examples rather. Okay. So class object max consecutive. So let's start with initializing some variables. I think that's going to be our best solution. And those variables should be max consecutive and maybe max count, and then counts in total. That basically using that to keep track of those maximum true or falses. So let's say max consecutive equals 0, max count equals 0, and then counts, we're going to say true, 0, and F is 0. So that feels pretty good, initializing those variables. It seems like a good place to start. Then we need to set 2 pointers, I think. So we need to set a left and a right that both initially point to the first character, right? So let's say left, right, and we should have those both be 0. So those pointers should be initially pointed to the first character of the answer key. So while right is less than the length of answer key, then we need to increment the counts in the dictionary. So let's say while right len and I'm the queen of typos this week. Then the counts of the answer key, right, increment. Now, my friend Courtney just texted me. This is actually really funny that she's awake. She missed her appearance in this video. She is hilarious, and I miss her to pieces. Okay, so we need to update the maximum count of if the count of the current character is greater. So that's what I'm doing right now. So count then counts the answer key right if right minus left plus 1 max count, not max consecutive. But it has to be greater than k. It counts the answer key left and decrements it. Boom. Easy. And then we'll say this max consecutive equals the maximum of the max consecutive right minus left plus 1. Huh. So that right can increment and return max consecutive. Okay, let's give that a run. Invalid syntax. Counts. Oh, haha, nice. Dope. Okay, type has no attribute. Count? Counts, maybe? This is why I have trouble in life. Oh my gosh. We're 3 for 3, you guys. Max. Why did no one say anything? Oh my god, it's almost midnight. Oh, but it worked! But it worked! And that's what matters. That's what matters. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I want to see what happens. Show me. Show me the money. Oh, 7. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, 81. Okay, cool. Okay, well, we made it. And we did it in under 10 minutes, which I'm actually very impressed about. Did not think that was going to happen tonight. I actually thought this was going to be harder. I'm sorry if I did not do a good job of explaining this. I am just exhausted, and I've done 22 almost LeetCode problems today, or explained them. Along with like actually doing my own project. So anyway, thank you so much for paying attention and being great. I hope this solves some people's problems, and I'll see you guys soon. Farewell.